Let's move to the second part. Right from there, it will repeat the first part, the punching step. Punch, 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 and punch, punch, punch. There's a small change in the last part. You just pull your left hand towards your left shoulder and just pull it down. So when you pull your arms down, you just bend your body, upper body, to the left side. Got it? So let's do it together. So punch, 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 and punch, punch, and down. So right from here, just shift the weight and walk towards the left side. So while doing this, hold your arms in this position, your palm facing upward, and do a small camel movements, like right from here. So walk, walk. Got it? Now, slide your left leg backward. By the time you can lift your shoulders, like we are here, up, kick your right leg, and just shift the weight. Got it? Once again, right from here, so walk, walk, kick, and shift. And right from here, just do a pace with your right hand, pace, and when it comes here, just shuffle and take a turn to your left and settle down facing the audience. Let's do the entire step together. So right from the punching step, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and down, walk, walk, 1 and 2, pace, down, turn, settle up. Okay, let's do with the song. Muqabla.